Clapperboard How to Enable Mic Access in ChatGPT Easy Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to talk to ChatGPT using voice instead of typing but the microphone icon is grayed out or it keeps asking for permission, this quick guide will fix it fast. I'm going to show you exactly how to enable mic access on both mobile and desktop. Let's jump in. Open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the voice or microphone icon in the chat input bar. If it's your first time, your phone will pop up a permission request. Tap Allow. If you don't see the pop-up or it was previously denied, go to your phone's settings, scroll down to ChatGPT, tap Permissions or Microphone and switch it to Allow. Then go back into the ChatGPT app, tap the mic icon again and you should be good to start speaking. On your computer, go to chat.com and log in. In the chat box, click the microphone icon on the right side of the input field. Your browser will show a permission pop-up, click Allow. If nothing happens or it stays blocked, click the lock icon in the address bar, go to Site Settings or Permissions, find Microphone and change it from blocked or asked to allow. Refresh the page, then click the mic icon again. For Chrome users, you can also go to Chrome Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Microphone, then make sure chat.com is allowed. Still not working? Here are the fastest fixes. Restart your browser or the ChatGPT app completely. Make sure your microphone actually works, test it in another app or in Windows Mac sound settings. Check that you're on the latest version of the ChatGPT app or browser. And finally, if you're on a work computer or school account, the admin may have restricted microphone access. Once mic access is enabled, tap or click the microphone icon, wait for the waveform to appear and start speaking naturally. You can now have full voice conversations with ChatGPT. And that's it, you're now ready to talk to ChatGPT hands-free. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more quick AI tips, and comment below which device you're using.